forget your phone? Oh, Clara, crazy Hera, just a girl in the modern era, yeah. Sometimes the boys and girls, they tease her. She only wears the clothes to please her, yeah. And she don't mess around in girly colors. She's the ringleader of all those fellas, yeah. She's not a tomboy, she's just Clara, just a girl in the modern era, yeah. And some people say she's a boy pretender, but she's too young to know her gender, yeah. Oh, Clara, crazy Hera, just a girl in the modern era, yeah. Superhero like Spider-Man, she has no fear, oh yeah. And she likes Pikachu and Charmander. She is a boss baby and you can't command her, yeah. Oh, Clara, beautiful Clara, just a girl in the modern era. Oh, Clara, beautiful Clara, just a girl